Meet Max, Lily, and Jay, three friends who just love to dive into video games together. The excitement fills the room as Max takes his turn, controller in hand, a proud smile lighting up his face. The others cheer him on, eager to lend a hand with ideas, demonstrating the joy of teamwork. Suddenly, a small timer appears on the screen, reminding everyone that sharing is key, making sure each friend gets their turn. Now it's Lily's turn to shine, while Jay waits patiently, clapping and giggling at the fun unfolding. The waiting might be tough, but it's all part of the game. With laughter, Lily hands the controller to Jay, and the trio erupts in giggles as the character jumps into a silly spot. Their laughter fills the space, a perfect reminder that sharing means more than just turns. It's about patience and cheering each other on. Because when we share, everyone has a blast. So let's keep playing. Game on.